Dear students, today I am going to discuss mechanism of Gattermann-Koch reaction. So, in this reaction, benzene react with carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride LCl3 or CuCl to form benzaldehyde. So let us discuss the mechanism of formation of benzene to benzaldehyde, that means Gattermann-Koch reaction, in detail. So first of all, what happened? We have to discuss the Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. So this one is carbon monoxide. There is a triple bond between carbon and oxygen we have shown here. Since oxygen has given lone pair electron to carbon, therefore oxygen becomes positively charged and carbon has taken electron, therefore it becomes a negatively charged. Now here there is a triple bond, that means this bond is formed by the donation of electron to carbon. Now we can see here that carbon having this lone pair electron and oxygen having also a lone pair of electron. Since oxygen has given electron, therefore it is a positively charged and carbon is negatively charged. Now count the number of electron. Here carbon having this 6 bonded electron and 2 these electrons, so it completes its octet. Oxygen this 6 electron and addition 2 electron, that means it also completes its octet. So this is about the Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. We have written that carbon monoxide and HCl, this one, this reacting, okay, so form this one HCO positive charge with a lone pair electron. Here how this happen, that this HCl is polar compound, chlorine having more electronegativity, therefore what happen, this bonded electron is shifted to chlorine atom. As a result, hydrogen becomes a partial positive charge and chlorine becomes partial negative charge. Now this carbon is negatively charged, so what happen, H plus attack at this carbon and attached with this carbon. So we having HC triple bond O with positive charge and these 2 electrons. Now this Cl is with negative charge since bond has broken, so we having this species. Now oxygen is positively charged and you know that oxygen is an electronegative element, so what happened, this is unstable. As a result, what happened, this pi bond electron is shifting to this oxygen to neutralize the positive charge. So as a result, what happened, as this electron shift here, then carbon becomes a positive charge. We have shown this pi bond electron is shifting to this oxygen. As a result, carbon becomes positively charged and oxygen neutralized. Now here there is a formyl carbocation formed. This one is formyl carbocation. Now this chloride minus ion attack at that carbocation. As a result, chlorine attached with this carbon atom, we having HC and C is attached with Cl, this one C is attached with Cl and this double bond with oxygen. So this one is formyl chloride is formed now. Now after that what happened, that formation of formyl chloride, this formyl chloride react with aluminum chloride, anhydrous aluminum chloride. So you know that this aluminum chloride acts as a Lewis acid. Now it requires electron, and this formyl chloride, chlorine is electronegative, it pulls the electron here, and these electrons is supplied to this LCl3. As a result, what happen? This bond breaks and a positive charge developed at carbon atom. So we have seen here hydrogen, carbon, double bond oxygen, and with carbon with positive charge, and AlCl4 minus, this one. Now as this Sc double bond O positive charge acts as this one species as electrophile. This electrophile attack at benzene ring. Here we have so depicted here benzene, since it contains 3 pi bond electron and it is rich of electron and it needs electron. Therefore what happen? This benzene will supply one of the bonded electron to this carbon atom. As a result, there is a linkage of any of the equivalent position. So here we have shown that this position attached with carbon. As a result, SCHO group is attached. Now since these two electrons are involved, therefore a positive charge developed at this position. So we have shown here that a positive charge developed, and each and every corner contains a hydrogen atom. So we have located the hydrogen atom. Now count the tetravalency here. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this carbon having 4 bond, and here 1, 2, and 1 hydrogen is there, 3, and with positive charge. So this positive charge is resonance stabilized. After that what happened? So this species react with AlCl4 minus. We have shown here that this species react with AlCl4 minus. So as a result what happened? That this one AlCl4 minus picks the H, this hydrogen. As a result what happened? H and Cl, HCl and AlCl3 eliminate, and rest part is that benzene with only CHO group, and as this hydrogen is taken by AlCl3, that means there is a pi bond between this and these two positions. Okay, so aromaticity is maintained and benzaldehyde is formed. So this is all about the mechanism, Gattermann-Koch reaction. I hope you understood well. Try to practice 2 or 3 times. You will able to write the mechanism. Till then, thank you very much.